up, YouTube? Listen, family, we going hunting today. I'm going to teach you in today's video about tendencies and behaviors. These two ideas is something that I want you guys to always make sure you take into account so you can kind of begin to see what's coming next. You can begin to project what's coming next. Anyway, guys, do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. Let me know down below if you made money today. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, kicking it off with my favorite portion of each and every video, which is loving on you guys. Check it out. This was from my guy Hal. He says, "Greetings, coach. I hope all is well. I took your advice from last night's YouTube video and used the same strategy today on the spot." I love this out the gate. I love this because I teach in such a way that what I'm going to show you tonight, even as well as yesterday, you can go out and try it and apply it tomorrow. Okay, you might not master it in one day, but you can at least go out and try. Man, coach taught me this, he told me to do this, do that, and then you can see whether or not it bear fruit or not. All right, but he went on to say, I waited for the SPY to run up to 547. I told him I waited for Apple in yesterday's video to run up. Okay, I'm gonna teach you guys momentarily how it looks on the chart. And traded a put with a long expiration date. I killed it with a 51% gain. You will never get 51% on your money in the bank. Okay, this is why we do this. Okay, once you learn to do it consistently, manage your risk, there's nothing Wall Street or anybody can do to stop you. Okay, I did the same what they call waiting for it to reach the bottom and rolled it up 10% for a $97 gain. Okay, so that's nearly $400 just like that. Okay, I'm sure I could have made more, however I didn't want to overstay my welcome. I'm also made some gains in Exxon today as well. Shout out to Exxon gas station and Coach Tattoo Money, where we use the motto learning is earning. One love, my guy H. Blake. Man, phenomenal job, Hal. If you see this, I want to say major salute to everybody else that also used last night's lesson to get your feet wet, to apply what was taught. Okay, that's what these videos are for. That's what this free information is intended for, guys. I know as one of the best in the game, I don't doubt for 1 second what I'm teaching. Okay, so you can go try anything I'm gonna say and teach, because I guarantee once you learn and master the craft, you will for certain get the same exact results as me. All right, so with that being said, guys, class will be in session today, so take some notes. Write this down in the comments. We going hunting. We going hunting, guys. If you're ready to go hunting, let me know down in the comments below. Okay, guys, check it out. Today's lesson is on the 1 hour time frame. You had to go to the 1 hour time frame to find this home run that I'm about to show you guys with Apple. Okay, check this out. Today it went nowhere, pretty much flat. I'm gonna show you the UWAP. It went up and down and ended flat. And then look at after hours, we're sitting slightly down over $1.50 right now at 217.31. Things you pay attention to, but don't get caught up into too much. Okay, remember, the money is in the charts. We stick to the script around here. Okay, so check this out, guys. As I get ready, I want to show you something. Okay, tendencies and patterns. Number one, once this crossed down, this 13 EMA crossed down, okay, you start seeing the bear flag. Okay, boom, you start seeing the bear flag. Boom. Do you see these tendencies? Boom. Let me know if you guys see that. What's a bear flag, coach? A bear flag is just an upside down flag. It just basically let us know the play is going down. Okay, it can look like that. It can look like this. You know what I'm saying? It can look like this. It can look like this. All of those are bear flags. Okay, and so once you see that, you can kind of see what's going on. So that's one observation. Watch this twice if you need to, guys, just to make sure you get the lesson. Okay, but check this out, guys. Look at what I want you guys to see what's coming next. As it was flagging, Once the 13 crossed the 48, this blue line was resistance. So boom, we tested once, twice, 2 times, 3 times, but we couldn't get above this level right here. Okay, so that let me know to watch the blue line on the 1 hour time frame, and that's resistance. Blue 48 equals resistance. Okay, so I already know. This is why you say, man, coach, why would you buy a put? Okay, because look, Apple ran up today, just like Hal said. Apple kept running crazy today, all the way up to 220. It ran up, but guess what? I saw it run up here and went back down. I saw it bubble up here, went back down. Look at this wick right here, guys. Boom. It came up this morning, ran all the way up to 220. That's 220. Okay. Came all the way down. This is where I made a killing. It came all the way back up. Guess what? To 220 again. But look, it has never got above this blue line. So when will you get fully bullish on Apple? This is why I told you guys we are all buying a call for September above 220. But right now we're below this. So because we're below this, look at this, guys. I want you guys to see this, okay? I want to make sure this is clean. I don't want no distractions on your journey, okay? Look at this. This is the same thing it's doing here. It came down. It was going sideways. It tested the blue line twice right there. 1, 2. Okay, boom. Look at what it's doing here. It came down. It's going sideways. It tested the blue line. 1, 2. What pattern is it making, guys? Do you see this big line right here? Do you guys see that? One of these days, I can't call it, whether it's tomorrow or the next day, we're going to get a big candle down right here. Okay, and that's going to take us to 214 to maybe 212 even, okay? And then it's going to start that whole pattern again, going sideways and up and down before we fall to 210, okay, to 208. And so that's how this go. But they're giving us signs and clues by what they're doing over here, okay? What they're doing over here, they're already showing us what they're going to come back and do over here, okay? And so it's important that you spot these things out on your journey, okay? So listen, guys, I just wanted to show that as well as share that lesson with you on today, because around here we are going hunting, and I'm going to be looking for any of these stocks. That's what I want to teach you guys. It happened with the SPY today, but any of these stocks that run up, and you got to go out and look at different time frames, because you will get different information. The 1 hour time frame told me Apple can't get above 220. The day Apple gets above 221, I know it's time to buy call. I'm talking about we're going to run up 1,000%. Okay, that's where you make 100,000 in 1 day, 2 days. That's when you do that. Okay, that's what we're going to do when we do our September call together. Okay, we're just letting it come down. We're accumulating. I'm going to show you guys that in the upcoming video. Okay, but listen, right now you have temporary movement to the downside. Microsoft reported today they went down. You had other companies reporting. Pinterest went down. You got some companies showing weakness, but they're not going up super crazy. Okay, so it's nothing negative. It's just temporary. We getting in position. Remember, I taught you guys about posture and positioning. We are getting in position because we're preparing and we're bubbling up for the double up. Okay, but now moves can be made to the downside, or if you catch the bottom of any of these moves, like Hal said, and like I told you guys, when it's in a range going sideways like that, you can buy the bottom. Like so today, 216, it ran back to 219. Anytime it go to 216, 217, it's going back to 218, 219. That's where you can buy a call at and ride it back to the upside, but it can't get above 220 right now. Now, if it do, Coach's thesis is going to completely shift. We're going to pivot, and I'm going to show you this same exact play, but it's going to be an even bigger play to the upside, okay? I'm talking about 220, 240, 200 and, you know what I'm saying, that kind of 45 level range from here. Big move, okay? I'm talking about in the world of options. You're going to see your percent jump up crazy, okay? But listen, guys, I just wanted to put that on you guys today. We went hunting. I wanted to show you how I like to go hunting, why I play both directions, because on one time frame, a call is right in my face. I'm looking like, yep, I can do this, boop, boop, boom. But say on the 15-minute or the 5-minute, there I see calls all day. But if I go and zoom farther out and I come to the 1 hour chart, I see, but overall, we're only going up so high. So if I can get at 216, I can take it to 219, 220. But once we get to 220, I'm hitting resistance. I can't go higher, so I have a put waiting at that level, and then boom. As soon as it go to 219, crazy money. 218, life-changing money. 217, man, we retiring. 216, you ain't gonna ever hear from me again. You guys get what I'm saying? That's the kind of stuff it can do if you guys learn to go hunting on different time frames, to take the information it gives you and then put a trading plan together around it, okay? Hopefully today's lesson was helpful. Hopefully you go hunting and you go find a stock you want to trade. I don't care what you choose. When you see these setups that I teach you on the channel, just apply it to your stock. SPY is doing the same exact thing. It looks slightly different, but it's doing the same and reacting the same exact way. So if you want to trade the SPY instead of Apple, be my guest. You're going to get the same result. If Apple go down, guess what? The SPY going down. Both puts going to print. When Apple turn around, the SPY going to turn around, and they're going to go right back to resistance. It's just a game of up and down, up and down. When you simplify it and build a plan around it, guys, it can change your life. It truly can. Listen, man, I won't belabor the point today. I just want to teach that lesson, leveling you guys, get you ready for tomorrow. Be in the Discord first thing in the morning. Everybody else, consider joining the money team next week. Listen, guys, if you are part of the money team, make sure you are taking advantage of using your stop loss, managing your risk, and pivoting where you need to, okay? You are going to see, if you follow the layout, you're going to be able to see, okay, we got something if we doing this, but we got something for them if they want to go in the opposite direction of what I got. If you can conceptualize that, guys, it can take you to the next level, okay? No matter what they do. Right now, we got FOMC and we got earnings. So they're not going to let your plays fully run how they can. So what? That's to the upside. That don't mean that you can't make that same exact money with the plays going to the downside. So I won't belabor the point, guys. Keep doing your thing. Phenomenal job so far this week. Let's finish with a bang. That means upcoming tomorrow, we got another chance to do it again. And I want to see you apply what you learned today for tomorrow. All right, listen, guys, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks. Use my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.